Are you looking for a business ideas to start even though you don't know which niche to go into? Or do you want to establish a business but are having difficulty defining your concept? Well, these top 3 niches can be the solution to your problem. So, let's start. Number 3. Sneaker resale. By 2030, the worldwide sneaker market is predicted to increase at a 4.9% annual rate to $196 billion. Aside from that, sneakers are becoming more popular as alternative assets. The sneaker market is much larger than you may believe. Over the last few fiscal quarters, sneakers and athletic footwear in general have been major participants in the athletic retail sector. That's why reselling sneakers can be a pretty great way to make money. The competition nowadays is fierce, and it'll take time to establish a client base as a beginner. And besides that, you also need to find out where the best places are to find and acquire the most sought-after shoes. Places where your competition is likely already very familiar. Therefore, you need to immerse yourself in the sneakerhead culture and apply yourself 100% to have a fighting chance. Collecting sneakers has never been more popular. So, while there is more competition, there is also greater opportunity, particularly if you niche down. But, before you can start looking for shoes to buy and subsequently resale, you must first grasp the market. Number 2. Mobile wine business. Whether you're a first-time mobile business entrepreneur, or you already have an operating food truck and would like to find ways of expanding, adding mobile alcohol services can be a great way to boost your business. The mobile alcohol business is attempting to follow in the footsteps of food truck entrepreneurs and pave their own path to solid revenue streams. As food delivery keeps gaining popularity, so does the mobile wine food trucks business. Number 1. Tiny home movement. Looking to live differently? Opting to forego a traditional house or apartment for a home the size of a typical American living room would certainly be a change. If that sounds like heaven, consider a tiny house. 86% people consider buying tiny home. On average, tiny homes take $22,000 build but sell for $65,000, or you can buy cheap land, have tiny homes on it, and rent out as Airbnb. Most viewers like yourself do subscribe to the channel for future videos.